Hello, everybody, and welcome to this video on RPKI, which stands for Resource Public Key Infrastructure. So, in the world of internet and in the world of BGP, it was traditionally built based on a lot of trust, right? So that is any router can go ahead and announce any route to other routers or its EBGP peers, and the other routers would blindly accept these route, right? Without verifying if these routes are legitimate or if it is right or if it is true. And this made PGP really unsafe, right? And this is where RPKI comes in. So what RPKI does is it's going to go ahead and it's going to validate the BGP routes that are announced by the routers or eBGP peers on the internet. And the way it does is it's going to use something called as the ROA record. ROA is essentially your root origin authorization record. And these records are pulled from the official Internet Registry RPKI repository. And these records are cryptographically signed. They contain details essentially about the IP prefixes or the IP address ranges and who is the rightful owner of these IP prefixes, right? So what is the originating ASN? And the way RPKI solution works is the the router is going to go ahead and use these ROA records, and it's going to build a table. And whenever a new BGP route is announced by its eBGP peer, let's say if R2 is announcing any BGP routes to R1, what R1 is gonna do is it's gonna use these ROA record that it learns, and it's gonna verify if these BGP routes are legitimate or not, right? And specifically what it's gonna do is if the route is true, then or if the route is right according to the ROA records, then it's going to classify those routes as valid and it would be accepted. If it does not match the ROA records, then it would classify as invalid and those routes are going to be rejected, right? And this is how RPKI keeps the world of internet or BGP safe, right?